look at this thing. Look at this. They look sweet. I'm going to put these on and I'm going to try them out. See if they're light, because these are really light. You guys, the high test boots that I have right now. I'm gonna try to finish up the project that we've been working on this week, or not try to, we are gonna. So this morning David's just gonna meet me at the job site. I'm gonna go down to the shop and load everything up. I brought the pallet fork back home. The other pallet fork is at another job site, and so I don't know if I told you guys I bought another pallet fork. So I gotta get fat landscape fabric, I gotta get the caps, I gotta get the glue, seed, straw. Yeah, I get a lot of things here so we can finish up, you guys, that project. It's that project, what took the longest is getting materials, staging materials, getting materials, and just, you know, running around and getting stuff. You know, that, I think that has been the most of the time has gone to. And that's the reason why I actually got the yard in the town, because of that situation. So yeah, beautiful morning though, beautiful morning. 7:10 a.m. right now. Should have got up a little earlier. I should have left the house a little earlier, but it's still early. No traffic. Jackson doesn't get too much traffic. What I need to do, you guys, is I got to send in my certificate of liability insurance to one of our snow accounts. I'm going to be signing our snow contract already for one of our big accounts here. So I got to find that. We got masks in here. We're starting to sell masks now, you guys, so yeah. Alright guys, so we got to get the caps that's in there. So I'm gonna go up and grab my S595 here, or S570. Man, it is just a beautiful day. Excited to get this project completed, so we can come back to Jackson here and finish up the new build that we've been working on. So excited, guys, excited. Got that loaded. Good to go. It's been a long day. I didn't get to vlog much today. We were trying to finish this project, but we didn't. We got a few more hours here, so I'll show you what we got going on. Find it? Alright guys, here's what we got done. This is the third, was Thursday. We started Monday. It's, got the caps in, got the wall in, there, up there guys. So the back's already completely done. I'll show you guys that later tomorrow, but I want to get a picture here. Yeah, we thought we were gonna finish it, but we're not. So tomorrow's our mowing day, but we don't have much to mow since it's drying up. And so Emily, David, and I, we're gonna come and finish this. All we have left is plant rocks and topsoil. Clean this all up. Good morning guys. It is about 7 a.m. right now, and it rained overnight. You guys, we were supposed to finish our landscaping project, and I think we're still gonna try to do it. We got a few hours left. We just need to do some soil doesn't look too wet. Yeah, I think we should be good. Soil doesn't look too wet. It did rain though. So that's what we're gonna do. Emily's gonna go along, you guys, with me today. Today's Friday, so she usually helps out with mowing. Look at these flowers, you guys. Planted these early in the season, and it filled in real nice. She helps mowing during Friday and Saturday, or Friday, and then Saturday, you guys, Ashley's gonna be helping with just setting up the enclosed trailer, you guys. We gotta finish that up. Enclosed trailer. Morning. We'll head over to Wyndham. We don't have much there to do. Just gotta finish it up. Gotta clean my mess out of here though. Been sleeping in here.
It stinks.
Been sleeping in here, eating in here.
Are these all garbage?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna head over to Wyndham, meet David. Alright guys, so we are at the job site. We got rained out. It's just, it was raining, still raining. Probably still raining, and you guys, it's just a muddy mess there. This thing's too wet. Is it? Okay. Push it. Is it? Hold on here, dude. Oh no. Put. Hey, watch out here. Watch out. This shit's gonna drop.
Oh my god, scary.
Okay, now pull that pin out, Emily, and then just put, yeah. There you go. Yeah, pull it out and let it lock. Is it locking?
Does it go down?
Yeah, let me, David, put that up.
Okay.
The MT, just leave the MT here.
Might give you the key.
Yeah, you got the key for those?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I'm talking about for the MT.
MT. Yeah, we got once. Yeah, put that up. Put the MT I'm gonna pull this forward.
Alright.
So I can pull this forward and then put the MT like right in the middle of this. There's your boots and your checks in here too.
Alright. Thank you.
When he gets that, you want to just go forward just a little bit and it should drop in.
Okay.
And then put that pin back on.
This one here, then this one goes back on that.
Yep, that one here. Just
Does
put
this
that
have to
on.
go up
Yeah,
higher?
that goes up higher. Yeah, once you move that forward, just drop. Then you can do that.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, pull up just a little bit. Alright guys, so we were gonna move topsoil and put on there, but you guys, it's just too wet. So we're gonna hold off on that. Rain is still coming down, so that's what we got done with this project here. Alright guys, we are here, and you know what, I'm gonna put on my new hat, guys. My Bobcat hat. What you guys think? Like it? Dude, I gotta run to the gas station. Hop in. Alright, so Ashley's gonna help me this morning. We're gonna finish up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh.
Enclosed trailer. Oh, what an early morning, bro.
You need to clean your truck.
I know, it's going in to get detailed Monday,
Is it?
Tuesday. Why is that
Not used
bad?
to getting up this early or what?
Not on Saturday.
I know Shelby's like, you should see if you can go in early.
Where are you guys
All right.
golfing?
We're actually gonna try to golf all three. But,
Jeez.
yeah, Jackson, Moon, and Lakefield. We're only gonna do 9, so it should only take like an hour and a half.
To do each?
Yeah,
That fast?
I think. It depends on if it's busy or not.
Pull the trailer down to the back. I thought I wasn't gonna come off.
Yeah, I'm like, where is he? It's gonna be late.
Alright guys, so we put the vinyl on and it's separate, so we cut sections. We got it lined up and then we cut the sections so that way it's easier to apply. It's the same way we'll do this. Once we get this done, we'll tape the top and then cut sections off. Lays in there better. So. We are all done with the decals. Nice, simple, clean. I don't think I'll ever put decals on unless I really have to. Not my cup of tea. So there you have it. Simple, clean, just how we like it. Didn't put anything in the front. So it's a 17 by 16 H&H trailer. There it is, guys. Now we're gonna go open it up and put some shelves and stuff in the inside. Got it? Got it, bro? Got it, brother sister duo?
God, we look so much alike.
Yeah, bro. What's your last name?
So much DNA. Not Singwongsa.
Okay.